Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Akira fonts on CapCut. So all you have to do now is open dafont.com and you can tap on search the Akira fonts. And here you go. This is the Akira based on anime. You can download. Tap download button and wait. Downloading file is finished. Here, as you can see, file downloaded. You can tap open and open with your archiver, because this is the compressed file. You have to extract or decompress the file first in order to use it. So you can tap to extract to archive name. Here, remember where's the font located, usually in the download file or download folder. Now next step is open your CapCut. Open the project that you want to add Akira fonts, and then tap text button, add text again, add fonts. You can tap fonts and then add fonts and tap plus icon and locate the Akira fonts you already download. Here, this is the Akira. You can tap it and font upload. Let's see, this is the Akira expanded. So you can enter your text Akira. Here, as you can see, the font is finished, done. You can edit it more. Maybe you want to add text here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.